Okay, this is another update for Logan. It is, oh, what is it? The 25th of August. The 20, okay, so last time we were talking about the brace off. He was going to get his brace off. So we went in the 23rd to U of M, and the doctor said, oh, looks like everything's healed up, or healing up properly, and you're okay to take the brace off whenever you want. So we went down to orthotics. I don't know, the guys that did the brace down at U of M, they unlocked it so he's got full range of motion. So that was down at U of M, and that was on Wednesday, and Wednesdays are therapy days. So I asked him, I'm like, because we left U of M, it took us a while to get back, and we went straight to therapy, physical therapy. And then I asked him, I'm like, hey, you want to leave the brace on for physical therapy or have it off? He's like, have it off. He's done with it. So he doesn't want to have the brace on anymore, which is totally understandable. It's very cumbersome, very limited. So we had some goals this week. When was it? Wednesday. After we got home, he got his brace off. That was the first day he sat in his chair at the dinner table since June 6th. Previously, from when he got home from the hospital until Wednesday, he was in a wheelchair at the dinner table, which that's huge goal. Next thing is, he can go to the bathroom by himself now, because with the brace and everything, he could not properly. He can go number one, but number two is a challenge. He could not properly get to where he had to get to wipe himself. So that was a huge milestone this week too. So yeah, I don't have to, let's say, treat him like a baby anymore, which is, he's glad. He's like, I can finally go to the bathroom by myself. He can finally shower. Kinda not by himself. I have to still help him in the shower for safety reasons, but I bought him a sprayer. He can spray himself off. He can get in the shower. He can take care of his own business now. Huge milestones this week. So, but the doctor said, hey, the leg looks good, the femur's in where it should be, there's no odd noises or clicking. When he was in physical therapy, they started working on his hip this week, so he was a little sore. But that was Wednesday. Thursday, he finally made blood counts, so he was back in for chemo yesterday. Started chemo last night at 6, got done at 10. Now they gotta monitor his urine for 3 days, and usually he's out by Sunday. So 4-day stay in the hospital, 3 nights, 4 days, and then next week we go back in on Thursday for another 4-day stay. So it's still very stressful. I'm still missing a ton of work. You know, like this week I only worked, what, 3 days? Next week I'm gonna work 4 days. I think the week before, that was, yeah, the week before I got in 4.5 day. I haven't worked a 5-day week in God knows how long. It's been a month or so, I think. I don't know. Can't remember. It was back when he came home from surgery, because he didn't have any chemo. So I'm still working 3-4 days a week, just trying to get him where he's got to be. You know, I got to help my wife out because she can't lug all his gear around, so I have to be there. So that's what's kind of going on. Other than that, milestones this week, which makes him feel like a kid again. You know, he's starting to walk better. You know, now that he got the brace off, he's got more range of motion. He can move his leg. He's still using the walker, just for, I mean, he can walk without the walker. I tried to get him walk without the walker this week. Actually, yesterday, 2 days ago when he got home, I said, hey, how about you try the cane? See what the cane does for you. He's still not sure about the cane yet. He can stand up, he can balance, he can do everything he can do standing up, but when it gets to walking, it's just, he's still unsure. It's still new to him. He's still got to learn how to walk again. So that's what the physical therapy for. Physical therapy is going to be 1 day a week until he's done with chemo, because he's still tired. It still just tires him out, you know, the chemotherapy. So we're sticking to 1 day a week for the physical therapy right now, and we're doing some exercises at home to try to get him stronger, his legs stronger. So that's it for this update. But still, family still needs support, unfortunately, until I get back to work full time. And even at full time, you know, with this whole thing, it's been financially just draining. You know, hasn't been too busy at work. I don't know why. A lot of it has to do with weather. And we had some other stuff go on which I'm not happy about. I'm thinking about changing jobs, just because I don't think it's going to work out. So, but that's to come. Don't know. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. So, like I said, that's it for this one. Still need support. You guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, please. The Venmo, the Zelle, Amazon wish list for Logan. And I will see you on the next one.